Of the top 10 most watched music videos on YouTube this week, 3 were from Weird Al Yankovic's new album called Mandatory Fun. And number 1, Word Crimes, was made in Sacramento. KCRA3's Mike Carroll visited the video artist Jarrett Heather and his computer in a house on a quiet street in Elk Grove.
One day I was just doing my job at work at the state of California, and in my inbox it said, "New message from Al Yankovic."
Weird Al Yankovic had seen Shop Vac, Jarrett Heather's previous film. In fact, it was Jarrett's only film, which had gone viral on YouTube, receiving over 1 million views.
I read the manual, I just started trying to put shots together, and that's how Shop Vac came to be.
Jarrett, a Yankovic fan for 30 years, jumped at the chance to work with him. But Shop Vac had taken Jarrett 18 months to make. For Al Yankovic's Word Crimes, he would only have 90 days.
If I did fail, it would have been Al's fault for hiring a software developer to make his cartoon.
Word Crimes is 244 seconds long. Each second took 2 hours at the computer. 500 hours work.
This was done 99% by me alone.
And all done in Jarrett's spare time while working his full-time job at the California Department of Food and Agriculture.
Get up at 5 in the morning and work on the video.
Since premiering on YouTube 1 week ago, Word Crimes has had 11 million views.
My inbox is full right now.
And Jarrett finally got to meet Al Yankovic, who took him to breakfast to show his thanks.
A genuine geek like you'd expect him to be.
So what's on Jarrett's plate now? Nothing. He's perfectly content having his nights and weekends free. In Elk Grove, I'm Mike Carroll, KCRA3 News.
What a great story.
Yeah.
Jarrett tells us he's been getting a lot of calls from people who want advice about getting into animation. He's been telling them to read the software instruction manuals, just like he had to do. There's no shortcut.
500 hours. Can you believe that? On top of his other job. So, you know, getting all the clicks, hopefully he got paid a nice hourly rate, you know?
I love the video and the song. I'm such a grammar nerd.
Yeah.
It basically sets out some of the most common mistakes and tells you how to do it right.
Yeah, good for him from our own backyard.